A zero-based budget is often considered the most effective type of budget because it requires you to start from scratch each time you create it. Here are a few reasons why this approach is beneficial. Number one, clear priorities. With a zero-based budget, every dollar you earn must be assigned to a specific purpose, whether it's for spending, saving, or investing. This helps you clearly identify what's most important. Number two, flexibility. Since you're building the budget from the ground up, each period basically, you can adjust your categories and amounts based on your current needs and goals. This flexibility allows you to respond to changes in income or expenses. Number three, cost control. It encourages you to question every expense. You're going to be thinking critically whether your cost is necessary, and which can help you reduce wasteful spending. Number four, goal oriented. It helps you stay focused on your financial goals. By allocating funds specifically towards savings or debt repayment, you can make steady progress towards achieving these goals. All right? Number five, awareness. It promotes a deeper understanding of your financial situation. By tracking where your money goes each month, you become more aware of your spending habits. That's the most important. Overall, a zero-based budget can lead to better financial management and help you make the most of your resources. All right? Leave me a comment. Jesus is Lord. Ciao.